everybody. So we had challenged Texas Family Camping to do the 10-question RV quarantine challenge, and he in turn decided to create a new challenge and challenged us. So here is our take on the top 10 things that we cannot wait to do once the quarantine ends.
Number 10.
Hey honey, do you got your toilet paper?
Yep, got it right here.
Guess what? The quarantine's over. No more rationing.
All right.
Number 9.
Oh no, honey. I'm down to 1 bottle of wine.
It's okay, the quarantine's over, so now the wineries will be open.
Woohoo!
Number 8.
Hey honey, since the quarantine's coming to an end, the salons are starting to open. We can get our hair cut.
Really? Is that a shot?
Number 7.
Hey honey, guess what? The quarantine's in and we can go clothes shopping now.
Thank goodness, my shirts are getting way too small.
Number 6.
You want Spam or potted meat for dinner?
Forget that, quarantine's over, we're going out to eat.
Yes!
Number 5.
Hey honey, what are you doing?
Well, I'm back to the 1988 baseball playoffs.
Well, did you know that the quarantine's over and sports are probably going to be starting up soon?
Let's go get tickets.
Number 4.
Honey, where did you get that?
I won this from RV Underway.
Why are you sitting in it in the driveway?
Well, because we're under quarantine and we can't go to the public beaches.
The quarantine's starting to come to an end and beaches are starting to open.
Well, let me get out of this thing and we'll go swim.
Number 3.
Hey, guess what, honey?
What?
The quarantine's over, so now we can go get your eye exam.
Oh, thank goodness.
Number 2.
Well, honey, what's wrong?
Camping in the driveway stinks.
Well, since the quarantine has basically ended, campgrounds are starting to open back up.
Let's go camping.
Number 1.
Hey, honey, did you hear that the quarantine's coming to an end?
Really?
Yep.
Well, screw this then.
You still have to wear that, babe.
Oh, man.
So we hope that you enjoyed these little skits for the top 10 things that we cannot wait to do once the quarantine comes to an end. We'll leave a link below for Texas Family Camping. If you haven't checked out their channel, be sure to do that. We'll also link below the 5 channels that we are about to challenge. The Art of RVing, Steve Turtle, Honey and Me, Our Epic RV Adventure, and Trippin Traci. Be sure to go over and check out all of their channels too. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please hit that red button. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when we upload new videos. Be sure and give us a big thumbs up. You're more than welcome to share any of our videos, and be sure and leave us a comment below because we like to read and answer the comments. And we hope to see you again on our next Happy Adventure.